YouTube is hard work. You heard me right. YouTube is hard work. I mean, if you're not ready to put in the work, please quit YouTube. Because I've seen a whole lot of YouTubers come up to say YouTube on easy mode, and I've made a video with regards to is YouTube on easy mode. From my experience, from my own angle, I would say YouTube is hard work. So that's what I'll be discussing with you guys on this video. So stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to Auguilicious. If you're new, thank you for joining. If you're an old returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing and returning back to my video. If you've not subscribed, please hit the like button, subscribe. I hear a lot of YouTubers come up to say, just start the video, put on the camera, just start. From my own view, don't just start. Be ready for the emotional, should I say, trauma. Be ready for everything that comes with being a YouTuber. Don't just think that you starting your phone, the camera, and all that, you just get started. Don't just think you just coming up to push out a video, you go viral, and that is it. No, it's way more than that. It requires your emotion, it requires your strength, it requires your energy, it requires your time, whether you feel like it or you don't feel like it. It's more or less being self employed because when you don't do anything, don't expect anything. That's it. Being a YouTuber is way more than just coming out to push out videos. I hear a lot of YouTubers come up to tell you just quit your 9 to 5 job, come get started, and that is it. No, it's just way more than that. Although your video could go viral, I've seen YouTubers that have pushed that video, their videos went viral, but what happened? Their videos stopped going viral after their first or second viral video. So when you're faced with all this whole situation, that is where the real challenge starts. You know, me pushing that video, I was thinking by now I should have gotten up to at least 500 subscribers, but I'm still going to my first 500 subscribers. At the moment, I'm just over 300 subscribers, and I appreciate every one of my subscribers, everyone that's tuned into Auguilicious. I appreciate every one of you guys. So don't think just coming up to push that video and you feel that your video will just go viral all of a sudden. It's really discouraging when you put in the work. Excuse me. It's really discouraging when you put in the work and you're getting less than expected. I've seen YouTubers that push that content, they went viral, and they've also stopped going viral after a while. So with YouTube, for me, I think is way more than just coming out to push out videos. It requires like your emotion, especially if you're not ready to put in the work, put in your time, your effort, your energy, whether you feel like it or not. I think you're not fit being a YouTuber. I hear YouTubers say, quit your 9 to 5 job. Why do you want to quit your 9 to 5 job? Why do you want to quit every other thing that could give you funds? YouTube should just be an avenue to promote your business, to promote whatever it is you're doing. I know there are some YouTubers that they base their interest, they base their focus on being a YouTuber, they base what they do on being like pushing out videos, and that is it. No, it's way more than that. I can proudly say I've been a YouTuber for at least 6 months. I've been pushing out videos and hopefully I go viral on my videos. I'm still hoping. You can imagine how this can be really discouraging. In fact, recently I told myself I'm no longer going to take this whole content creation on YouTube very seriously. I mean, I'm no longer going to take this whole content creation on YouTube, putting all my energy, all my effort, and getting little results. So I've decided to take it easy on myself. If I can push out the content, if I can push out the video, fine. If I cannot, then it's fine. Being a YouTuber should be something you get used to. It should be something you're ready to do, whether you feel like it or not. Is way more than having an exam or working in the 9 to 5 job, or it's way more than you just going to probably your 9 to 5 job or being self-employed or having other things to do by the side. I've seen YouTubers come to tell you, come on YouTube, come on YouTube, come on YouTube. Please don't come on YouTube thinking that once you push out a video, two, three videos or thereabouts, you become Mr. Beast or you become one very your video will just start bringing in your revenue. I've seen YouTubers come to tell loss YouTubers definitely they want to make their videos go viral, so they'll always push out a content. And if you're not careful, you could be misinformed, especially you pushing out video thinking that pushing out video is just what will change your whole world. It's just a stepping stone. Being a YouTuber, it requires way more than consistency. It requires way more than your energy. It requires, in fact, it takes everything about you. I've been on this space for the past over 6 months now, and I've seen a whole lot of change in the way I create my content, my editing skills, my communication skills, the way I express myself. Everything has developed in a way because you pushing that content. These are the whole factors that could come along. In that aspect, I will tell you, YouTube has been a great experience for me. But in the financial aspect, has it really been a great experience for me? No, because I'm yet to even reach the first threshold. So if you're new and you've not subscribed, please subscribe. If you've been watching my videos and you've not bothered subscribe, please hit the like button, subscribe, and support this girl, support this channel to hit at least 500 subscribers. Support this channel to grow and also to reach out to people that need this kind of content, and you will make me proud and happy. There's this comment I get from some YouTubers. They come tell you make videos for over 8 minutes, make video for over 10 minutes, make video for over 20 minutes to get your watch time. I would love to know your comment on this. For me, make your videos. It could be 10 minutes, 6 minutes, over 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Whatever video you're making, provided it's giving value, that is it. You don't have to make over 20 minutes video, over 10 minutes video to give value or whatever that could be the reason, maybe to get watch time and all that. If your video is putting the right value on people's table, it's definitely going to reach out to the right audience, is definitely going to get pushed out on YouTube. So beware of this fact. What I would say, being on YouTube or pushing out content or pushing out video, whatever it is, the reason why you're on YouTube, whether you just want to come and you start getting subscribers or you want to come and make some cash or some money for yourself or for your family or whatever the reason why you're on this space, know that being on this space involves patience, consistency, energy, in fact, your whole self. I can keep mentioning on and on and on, but what this has taught me, it has taught me persistency, consistency, tolerance. Like, I didn't feel like making this video. I didn't feel like just doing this, but I'm doing it. I'm doing it to get this channel running, and the only thing you can do is subscribe, support, watch my videos, share this video to someone to inspire them, to help them know that they can do better than where they are, and not to be carried away by too many informations on YouTube. I've seen YouTubers say reach your first 1,000 subscribers and then you concentrate on watch hour. No, for me, I have my reservation. Reaching your first 1,000 subscribers is not the issue, because I've seen content creators that come up with videos saying that they regret going viral. I've also seen content creators that come up with videos saying that they've reached over 3,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, in fact up to 30,000 subscribers. They are yet to be monetized. So in that sense, I would say reaching your first 1,000 subscribers is not the issue, is not the solution. I can never be the solution. What is the solution? You being consistent, keep doing it, keep doing what makes you happy, pushing out videos, get your whole self involved in this content creation on YouTube, then I think with that it will work. It may not work probably like some YouTubers say 2 days, 1 day, 1 week, 5 days, or however they put it, but it definitely would work. If you want to get the right advice, I suggest you subscribe to channels like my channel, because I always tell you what has affected me, because I've made videos on how I posted for over 60 days. I've made videos. You could go check my playlist on content creation. You could check that out to get inspired with this content creating. Okay, guys. So what I would say, being a YouTuber is no easy. It's hard work. It is hard work. So you have to put in the work, your time, your effort, everything, and you definitely will get your answer. For me, I'll always say, do you, be you, and do you. Don't quit. Don't stop. I think I'm exhausted with what I have to say for now. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.